Hey there, English learners! Welcome back to another episode of Learn English with Dave. Today, we're going to learn some useful phrases to use at the mall. But before we start, if you're finding these lessons helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more. Your support really makes a difference, so go ahead and do that now. I'll wait for you. Alright, let's dive into our mall phrases. Phrase number 1. Can I try this on? Sample sentence. Excuse me, can I try this dress in a size small? Phrase number 2. Do you have this in another color? Sample sentence. Hi, do you have this shirt in blue? Phrase number 3. Where is the fitting room? Sample sentence. Could you tell me where the fitting rooms are, please? Phrase number 4. How much does this cost? Sample sentence. I'm interested in this bag. How much does it cost? Phrase number 5. Is there a restroom nearby? Sample sentence. Sorry, do you know if there's a restroom around here? Practice using these phrases the next time you're at the mall, and you'll feel more confident speaking English in shopping situations. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with any other scenarios you'd like to learn phrases for. See you in the next video.